KIDI ne papa de ne ba asase so ne busua wo firi mu susu wiase eye pane a eda busua ni mu a eja etitirifo kwan no no ne papa busua mu no yare eda ho Easter na ewure mu no Easter na eba no na we de eya me ka de bia say Easter come say eye ahonhom afashe Easter belongs to the gods of the land. Na enkrebi wo say me de ma some celebrities bia omo akwakoje chieftaincy ebi so akwaje queenship. I'm trying to let them know say Easter we say what are they doing for the gods of the land? Asamwejan waje sebi ohina konya pafusi so what is he doing for the gods of the land? Easter bay. Oh, when they say you see no hima, what is he doing for the gods of the land? Bay. Kojon can say you see no hene. Ejebe na oye unim say no more way now no more rush ko ya. Na some paid you sir. Then the gods of the land will strike them to poverty. The gods of the land will strike them with sickness. They strike them with accidents because amama na okwakoye no akonya na okoje no unim tumi edi akiri. That's true. Majority akoji konya, some of the men of God are above for me na asofo dansumu na akoji bi.
I don't chedu akra say.
Omu na.
On na sorry dem na be she.
Na me ka say ni na your gods of the land. So all those people no so muni mo mo kan kure. Ye catch them there. What are they doing for the gods of the land? Is there your mafashe kese? What are they doing? We be na see bisa otomuka. We are going. And we know where we are going. We know we will. See, those guys were the richest being in Africa. The first black to meet the queen. And so, we now so got this active chance to be a poverty, bad sickness, and then you guys know the way. It's unima. We are artists. We are celebrities now. We are software. Men people home. I'm going to makonya. All the queen seats belong to the gods of the land, and all the kingship belong to the gods of the land. So I'm telling them, they should rise up. We and the yare, and the ahochire, and the and more baby celebrity for Abra Basso. Baby na carry a ebewu. Family mu na makojibi. Omu na carry a bed there because they have to pay respect to the gods of the land. They are gods, they are fire. They are fire. They don't forgive, but God forgives. So if you are dining with them, be very careful. Omuni, I am for some kind of credit. I'm watching the boy, and then I say, yes, no, yes, no, children don't hear. Jodako born, and then I said, I have a payable penny, yes, no, he. So you have to ask the elder people. Gooda, you have first be hima, a year, but who could dear make sure, sir, Easter Biano, obey and who am I? Okay. Now so your peace of mind and yes I will seek a sem and guasia a watcher or time a car a ben say dinsu emini you na no. It's where they feast time with the maomo. It's
omunya amamre no na kwan.
They should do the men kwaje chieftaincy or queenship never tank say me your hene. And don't play with it. Don't ever play with it. When you are called, that's all Jania and your trouble. And I could do so. No one mamma saw a trouble. So Ghanaians have to know this from today going. Obi a celebrity. Chieftaincy, queenship. Making sure say obey your mamre. And yes, sir, be done with poverty. No matter what, no man of God can save you from this. Confess.
It's Easter then ye koyama kama.
Easter there ye may be kakra ama gods of the land. Okay. And then they say bibi ko akoma na be say kasi na sisia bibi nia near that kan wa ma sanity here. We know ye me and I may ama gods of the land. Sanity here. Ye to mu na nkra omade shebe didi enti no me wa next week more information about
okay now it is sikano just beka information e be no maybe I dey be fan wo ho
sanity here.
Okay
sanity here.
One God akwa ababiom
good amajo so
one God achu funeral no it was a success like yakope ne krabre but na so for bi ka say o ma anye amamre a nsuo no be to asai eyi no
Guda, I had the Yamekase. Susu Yase. When I say I am the seer of the nation, you have to believe me.
Yeah,
and when I tell you I am the seer of the century, you have to believe me. And when I tell you I am the universal seer, you have to believe me. And when I tell you again, I am the only seer who dine with the moon and the sun, you have to believe me. The only seer who knows what will happen in 72 hours, you have to believe me. 24 hours belongs to God. The demons don't know. Gods of the land, they don't know. The angels don't know. The dwarfs don't know. No mortal to know. Only God. So what you say? Yes. Yena nim say ye nim tama insho beto, any tama insho ento. Now the program was na me car say. Obey program kwa na beso o check date ni whether na cross check the nations here. You bet you say insho beto that day na say insho ento. And then you confirm so that is our work. So the moon and the sun now, I keep saying no. A strong form. The moon and the sun, you can't be faster than the sun, and you can never be later than the moon. It is often the Odia grow, and you munya but say, we use sort of war now, and just access to the universe. You don't have access to the universe. I saw for people they done it from the gods of the land, and on position was as where, but what will come from the air there, they have no idea. That belongs to the CS and the DBS.
Ti sa o de yakọ message bi ma ebusua na
ti atu ebusua de ye yakọ message ama omo dada yegusu de ma omo na ye fa cha kese ye fa sida kese e ma omo pani odi ade adu preman achimpiesie sa na tie nana otimi tutu ni nan putu se dade no call ye no na wo hwe vema nana ade call ya no se nana na ni abre ode hye na ni abre ne de hye kronkron asabi na sase kronkron te so a obo mu nipa ebi san kwan omo de fiase omo chire wo mo omo nya bindi omo sablabo ase no na achu ani kom hu ina wada ye Ghana ni o unya Ghana ni o na achu ani cause ankofoni na ho enso sebi fufian theater so we the gods of the land that is the way they punish you and take your life eti edin kakese ene chia ema all the ministers in Ghana here former president John Dramani Mahama Okobi Kamanya Mishana Manu Kwatente Okompre Kon Kennedy Japan the political prophet who watches the watching man he was there Onuzukobi Almighty Baumia so no hobi edin we dey ano den Almighty Baumia no Onuzukobi on the squad and the rest of the celebrities in Ghana here and all the football stars Baby Jet I say ho the year to 2 years as a Solomon time na John Pace everybody was there Magmamu na koja omunua chese na ye fe na ye akono Ghana for actual dokese and I'm proud of Ghanaians and I'm proud of everybody who attend ye the CS enkoyi nti hwe bi sanity
ba onim say na honorable Kennedy po na ye program bi o dance man amano 17th no but he left like he didn't even show up he couldn't show up
sa program no ye te hon popo ye but I want to send a strong warning to those following our father our incoming president Kennedy Japan. Kennedy stand for Ghana. Kennedy don't stand for any individual. It's the one way by biting. Say, Emma or Copra attending, we are for King program, no, we are for King. Group was there before any other group about Kennedy Japan came out. So Ghanaians have to respect this. So by biting, no, no, but all the same, fancy. Because say baby I na so call you no na hu so hia na kuku danfo ni ntirifo abrempo so e de hia ni na hu hia sabi yese de ade ato ni enyo no na eyi obi na eyi ma no inte dom ko ho a we are for kina busoku ye fa nche wo mo papa enye ne forta na emom no ye de ye betutu yie ama Ghana de hie na abrempo so mo di eche no enya vim any odo Kennedy stand for Ghana not any individual.
Thank you. Now seer KIDI issue no stroke issue no like go for it you say ayampa we say nyampa na ayampa adentin na stroke benya akola ketwa young guy young lady adena young person what has a young person got to do with stroke
Guda, that's a good question and I'll give you the answer for it. The public have to understand.
Yes,
Guda, the world has changed. If we are say adane. If we are say adane. If you are so adane no, everything adane we are say. First, not stroke, and now you can say cancer, diabetes, and na for obi o 70 plus Sebi bamu wo fa no. Those are the people that battle with those kind of sickness. Yes. But right now no, if you are say adane no, oh a young boy. Now oh yeah, person done star. And as over done star every year, you have to pay respect to the gods from your mother and your father's side. Because your parent will not tell you the truth. Your parent will lie to you that they are Christians. Your parent will lie to you that, oh, it's all about God. Your parent will lie to you that focus on the Bible and this and this. But the gods of the land, they are fire, Guda. So the parents hiding those things from their world, no, is going to bring a lot of problem on we the mortals, the youth coming. KIDI, never part the bass as a bush will free moon. Susu, we are saying, a pania a day bush anima, a jack a title for quine or no.
Ah?
Never pay bush muno, a yari at daho. It's rumors never about Tino. Cecia and Chene, KIDI, or Nare, Sana Moka say, why Yaleno and Abi, but a day bush him. Eti also artista or pay attention to the mother's side more than the father's side. It is a KIDI person a carrier no a forfeit or person a carrier no a lad a bigger than what we are seeing today near. The KIDI have to pay respect to the gods from the father's side because they are fire. They can bring him down, they can bury his career, and he will go broke inside this because only a fire. And the pipeline struggling there. Never people show me the debussy. So also in India, obetime cross check it. Ebusa, I find out how the father family came up. The gods in the family are say bomudema papa na ebe wo no man no be star. Ajiria Saboso, KIDI or a big star. Everything about that young boy is a star. Everything about that young boy is money. And so the management, you know, are you rich, you know, but that which is only more tiako for the dining. Or you say, which say a small a da Sebi links entertainment Medica Canada. Now Eboboba, a bit Pierre Bontain. Whatever happened on land, you know, first happened in the spiritual world because spiritual give birth to the physical. It's good. KIDI asemno o 200 more. Na say na all fan say agro no am for a defending no. Ye de enka say esi. And the cast all yale sisi a na mom da pipeline ni mu. So wan hwe ni ya e be happen. And enkwala no so a wo ka say na say omunya sa issue no. And your gods of the land and the ma omo. Your kromu a and brothers e ba bonten. Kitakunte ni nua Flocky Stone. This boy was so good, or Chame Kwame,
yeah.
And so here, gods of the land, and a striking back with that sickness, because that Kwaniki Jana, Kagana Haka, you're mad, because that boy was on fire. Volcano rapper, volcano singer, everything that boy can do it. And so here, you're dealing the success, you're dealing the opportunity, you're dealing the favor, and they said, dealing the BBR before Haley, you know, not the system, the time they train. Sanity. So, KIDI, man, tata so. And yan who say the omokano just a rumor but a debussy a pania debussy I be one no let the side no abba abonte now man for ka say you can you and society example there enyama ne musu ye echebusuafo no ne maame osusuma one side enya ne de na ondwen akwara papa side omuna no de akwara be wiase KIDI ne papa busuafo ne fa no so they can destroy him and bring him down anytime they want. It's a warning. He can choose to believe it or not. Good morning, come on, Cindy.
See, KIDI, Minia, KIDI, Mr. Because I don't know why you go to your mother's side and fulfill your part there and then leave your father's side when two people brought you. Okay, anyway, see, KIDI. Na McBrown, and I say, so what do you do?
Good morning.
We movie. Only Ghana meboa. Say Oba na nche meboa. We movie fee. UTV okonia nana ko kan say obetra say onye adwuma nya na
guda
waji we ni so
guda e nya bote
me say waji we ni so
guda guda nya bote guda o de asem ba na waso asem ne fe na wo twene man guda nya bote ne chechire mu guda chechire mu ho
waji we ni so
nana mama bro leaving a UTV to Onua TV no enya an option kra option because I want to cry more tears. More tears. Good. Let me tell you something. The stardom in Anama Magrano, she's sitting on billions, but she have no ideas. She's sitting on gold and diamond. She have no idea.
Nana
Mama Brown. So moon pay service Emma, the gods of the land from the family. It is so my dream. It is so my son. Because all two in Kunya born home and Kunya one home. But the thing says all about God. God respect the gods of the land because Abusum Konya inano and then a chief town so a village now. So all the chief and the queens, their seat belong to the gods of the land. Abosum edia abrempo atitu for home. Judge is a titu for no. O ye judge, judge Etienne Antonia Mamo, and ya college galemo. So I say, it's Nana Mama Brown. Nana Mama Brown must set in the studio, heavy studio, because she have the followers already. She have the numbers already. Ghanaians love Nana Mama so much.
Yes.
Everything she does.
Support.
I'm out for support, you know. Can Nana Mama set you studio up? Naka wants to start to interview celebrities around the world. See Nigeria. Nigeria and South Africa is these two African countries. We can't go without them. South Africa will always be South Africa over Africa. So I say, Nigeria is bigger than Ghana, and their celebrity are also fire. It is another Mama Brown in the studio. No, I say, we're coming Destiny Atiku. Maybe this year, so I'm not so for just how she started her life. Could I tell you something? I know say the whole Africa will enjoy this program.
It will be mad.
The whole Africa, not only Ghana, the whole Africa will enjoy because that little girl or that girl is a fire.
Yeah, but she hasn't started her own yet.
And I make her say, now see, this is what Nana have to do. Going to work for Onyano and it will soon remember. Because Onyano no man go Musa na wale. Master switch to receive the baby. And there's some member, me come as a man. Now with the most see, baby, I dive a go and soon a dear tree, and soon I know a day in a dear tree. And I can't good that Munonim said the amount 10 million pounds. I will see a swap. I want you to him in the back home.
Hey, see, I may not only make us a
10 million pounds, see a swap. I say,
I said, now, can into my son.
And good, I make up on here 10 million pounds, but we say, as my mechanic, but we say, baby, what we say, and now pipeline, but because I be so pepe, what was the nation?
And then on your own, be on
Nana man be on one idea. Nana man be on one studio. Behind the two soon, so on be on one studio. Now, in interview celebrities across Africa and brand and nasty because we are queen what about Kubia. Sabi, who pay respect to the gods of the land. Nana Mautis Castle. Where Nana is money, but I home Eddie Max Asenim Aseniti into Namsum or who be going to Nya, going to work for Nya day, Nana Mama Brown. Baby, Nana Maki Kakoyi, Cow Free YouTube, the best thing is to be one gas studio large. Everybody can come and say, Nana Mawai idea. Now we interview big celebrity across South Africa, Nigeria, across the world, and all those things. The way you welcome them at the airport. People want to see things on the media. The way you welcome them, the way they also come, and when they are coming, but the way they will announce on the media, coming to my grand TV to do this and this. Look, Nana is sitting on bomb. She have to wake up. Without make our same be here.
Because I'm problem behind.
Good day.
I mean, the way
Good I kind of clear. Actually, me new about me what fast say. Working for somebody right now, what's that?
At her limit, no.
They be another job. Kumasi now see Onya now. Come now see YouTube. Come no. Ukuri Saturday about 2-3 after now be fie. After now be fie. Be man the bofu. But then you say na excuse as an excuse. Nana Ma should set up her own business. Ghanaians have already loved her. And Ghanaians will always love the hair.
Okay.
Nobody can take that love from Ghanaians. Okay. When Ghana forces will dine with you, nobody can change Ghanaians, man. Okay. And when Ghanaians say they will not dine with you, they will not dine with you.
Oh, that's good. So Nana Ma Brown, please, one kasako be studio. Now start it there, because you are big time. Charlie, we love you. Now I feel so. Kumasi na nwi ja eto ho no wo say obet na ha say I can say outbreak be Kumasi, but I thought say be a rain, volcano, earthquake and bibi no like ho fire outbreak no so ka ho
so you said that ho eja ensuo and enframa ebeje the whole world this year ya boso
eja ensuo enframa e na your asase so na say four elements ni nyina ka bo
ebe ka bo mu say ene ka say yen we done it with the moon and the sun. Don't forget, say, earth protection. Men are down over the whole world. Earth protection, so no, and from and issue. So whatever water will do in this world, I know. And whatever the wind and from my born, I know. And whatever fire will do, I know. So 3 elements we and not say ever be really we are say it's who here to maybe make sure say ube pay attention to the gods of the land. Now they are sedana ye amanyankopon. The gods of the land, they are jealous. They are always been jealous about God. But they been jealous about God, no. Because first, no, for some of the leaders or the grandparents used to do it for the upcoming generation to witness so that they can also continue. Some too hide it from them because they don't want them to go there thinking say they are evil. It only baby abusu fear wakosino a bushano generation a dambo a chile and you here a bushabia chilabosum akosim busum payment time remember was assist no a dambo a chile and a here so a nice movie.
It's Jana so Kumasi no, is that the end or more?
Kumasi will face a lot because a home to class the chiefs, the kings and the queens and the politicians there should stop the galamsey because they are disturbing the peace of the land. They are disturbing the gods of the land, and a lot is happening, and nothing has been committed that he enjoy and as he enjoy. You know, Kumasi will face a lot. A home ebe sisika Kumasi. A home the pains ebe to Kumasi. Me no ka say Kumasi musicians. You can see the Kumasi no. The musicians they have to wake up. And yes sir, a year be pure Kumasi no. All the musicians will go to Kumasi and attend that funeral. Ebe fun, ebe large, ebe there. But the gods of the land will send a message through how they want to take it. Because majority of the boys in Kumasi doing music, doing celebrity stuff, they are from homes. They are from Omufe Chief Tansimu, Omufe Konyamu. And it's a pay respect about the gods of the land. No the musica and no attention. About the fake men of God. Watch the movie that will go on in Kumasi. Guda. The biggest cinema around the world will show this movie. It's a nice movie.
Hey, now see how can SMBC now say a nice movie? What are you trying to say?
Making it a nice movie is you don't believe it. So respect the nice movie. But make us say sad. No, and the password thing. The men of God want to tell the world that they were in this world before this world was created, but you were born to meet the world. So why would you respect the land?
We will respect the land. We respect the land. But see, recently, go for frame a the phone, man and member, no more frame. Facho for see and number, see, no, see, woman, na sukra, good to be see, I'm a friend of crowd. But almost say, almost 20 I am talk. Ye bet tongues to swa. Baby, na no musicano, nas canaya bassa. And then no money. They are most of them are complaining. So I couldn't even call you because my name said Oba na.
Good afternoon. Obia oya market woman and now oya trader, a man or a woman in any part of the region in Ghana here, they should stop going to public toilets. Omunjai public toilet soko and then they show musikano. It is time everybody have to join the perfume world. Join the perfume world, that's the central world. Join the perfume world and become successful. Join the perfume world so that favor will locate you. Join the perfume world so that opportunity will dine with you. Join the perfume world so that success will always be around you. That's the new thing. It is your form, man. Ghana Mokola, Omunjai public toilet soko. Say, Tiafiba Usana Pa, Numusio, le Chawoto, Nawako Juma. Omoto ade wia no makọ public toilet so akọ ne.
What does it do to them?
Ewia se ni kwase ohun obi toilet kura enye. Ewia se wo ukobusu kura toilet mo be di hia ewu. Ensa na de wia se na ye kura enima fe na ho mo yi a kire ye. It is all to ade o marketer. Na te fika wa ko ofie ko ne. Men ko public toilet ne so. Na be wie no at the end of the year no, now the contain now cost you nothing that you gain. You are a loser, poverty being. That is the way you are.
Except for the say, omo shops like say, omo toilet wo inside.
Aya compulsory. Say you can say Ghana, say na Ghana for any tea amount here. 1957 was just around the corner here. Ghana independence. That ben independence Ghana for who say you sit down in the toilet and bath ashim. First, 2-3 years ago, 5 years ago, you sit down Canadian toilet no doko. Also, I panel kita upi panel nam. Ugo pebe back on ne. And so we have land, but the sense for the mortar to use no e we na ni ho no mo enti obroni ekretini de enti egusu edane with those things there usi shop I saw na toilet room sa na tie
sen na ehye
musika pa omo die public toilet so call no mo hwa de no for perfume gusu de bia nkoto ade say ye nto ana
omo nko susu na omo sika no susu hye
omo nko susu omo sika so ehye no eno so tentan. Majority don't pay their service to the gods of the land. See, the gods of the land, if you don't pay your service and your dues, they have so many ways to attack you, but you will not realize that you're
okay.
There are so many ways to attack you. They can manipulate mortals to do bad things to their fellow mortals.
Hey.
And at the end, they will leave you and you'll be there alone. 70 years old man, you are good. They shock you. They never leave you.
One word. But your best ye tea for your for the message.
Good. Mamma va and Kakasi Mamma this year. A catcher, a man to Mutuni. Catcher. Catcher boys. I look going to be. Sanyo me bebu en kokwafosi si okrumu anom no. Enti am na tse hwe omu ye. Esuma be da omo so no. Ano e den. Enkanka ne kokko no wo mu no. Kokko no ono ohwe ne hu ye. Na gods of the land. It na go tobo som so. Odabo som so. The fearful nya som say pe sad news.
It's on your day.
And they meet me count to opa onji di opa wonjan. So atase. Enti guda the other for man no. Ana kuma wo stand na ye bo asunsun wiase. Yare adi na chi no e chi ne to no ma obeto nduro media no so ona wa besese muntu nufu se onhwe onko abisa na susu wiase ya won panie na ye bo amepe na asem na ye bo ame yada no okasa menije upon insult na no kwampo no oye cool eti guda we dey make catch ma dish around the world onipa bi aka ma se for perfume egu nsuom no the reason it is for perfume egu nsuom no say you are done with poverty. You are done with promise and fail, disappointment and bad luck. So put perfume in water. Now yetimi and fish good luck, success, favor, any opportunity and mount. When you come across any of this, I let the nations here. They will continue from there. Yedamuna ase.
Nations here, Yamin Shroud. Come on, Yamin Shroud. I'm a pen and come to come on, Yamin Shroud.